Hey, good evening. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Monday, the 6th of July 2020. It's currently about 7 p.m. here local in Vietnam. This is a look at my 12-hour charts and what I'm doing on the high probability setups on them today. The new candle was 3 hours ago, so it took a while to do this video. Sorry about that. All right, let's have a look at it. So just so we know what we're looking at. Here are my rules. So if you want to just pause the video and have a read of that, it saves me going through it every time I do one of these videos. I do cover a few things, but this is the layout for them and the basics. If anyone's got any questions, feel free to hit me up by the email or through the social media channels. No problems at all. So let's have a look at the charts. So we'll go to Trading View. All right, it says Trading Views, my 12-hour watch list. Anything that's highlighted in blue means I've currently got trades on. Highlighted in orange means I'm going to discuss in this video. So let's start off with the Aussie USD. Like I said, you can read my notes, but basically I had a buy, a hedge sell, and a second buy. So what I've done this afternoon is close this original buy, close the hedge sell, and close 0.4 of my second buy and placed a stop. Stops that red dotted line, so I can get rid of these trades. I just left the lines on the charts to show you where they were. That yellow line was the overall break-even level. So it's over that, price is over that. It's not much of a profit, but something is better than nothing. I think that was a $9.23 profit, and I've still got open trade on with I can't lose on. So that's pretty well. So I just leave the lines on. So all right, so I've just got the one buy on. The reason I closed it all was the MACD Platinum is up through the zero level now on that last candle, and we're getting close to a big level. That green line is a 70-cent level. I've still got, as I said, 0.02 on. Profits being added to the total. All these trades are recorded on a shared spreadsheet on Google Drive. Everyone's got access to that spreadsheet. There's a link to it in the description of the video, so you're more than welcome to have a look at that. So that's the Aussie USD, just tidied up some trades. CAD Swiss. Got a new sell signal this afternoon. I took a sell, you can read, I took a second hedge sell on sequence one. Sequence one is here, starts on this one, so it's a buy, sell, buy, hedge sell. So it's a second hedge sell. So the break even for that sequence one is not applicable and it is hedged, so I'm locking in a loss on all those trades. But then I took a new sequence two sell trade there. Overall break even for all trades is this level here, 69032. So that's that yellow dash line there. So that's all I've done on there. CAD Swiss, all very tight on the MAs. MACD Platinum's above the zero level. There's hidden bearish divergence there. Red trend lines, remember, hidden divergence, bearish divergence, green trend lines, bullish divergence. That's the CAD Swiss. EURCAD. Righto, a few trades here. New buy signal this morning, or this afternoon, sorry. Nice support level here. So I've got sequence one, taking a fourth buy, sequence two, taking a second buy, and start a new sequence three, which is a buy. Overall break even, I've got different break even levels here. The closest one we're above now is sequence two, we're through that one. We've got an overall and a sequence one break even up here. So these two yellow lines here. So this thing's been stuck in a pretty tight range. It's just been going sideways a long time. Have a look at all these blue. The blue trend lines support resistance levels. So yeah, haven't got far to go, but hopefully we'll get a few pips. At least clear sequence two, possibly sequence three. We'll get some pips there. So 3 new buys taken on that same candle today on the different sequences. Euro yen. What do we do here? I was in a sell trade up here. I had a stop in place, and as you can see, spiked up, took that stop out, gave me a profit of $10.19 has been added to it, so I can delete those lines now. So I just left them on there to show you where we're at, all the notes have been updated on the chart. So that's no longer in play. So all we've got is buy and play now. And that buy trade has got a stop in place. And I've already closed part of that too. So looking good on the euro yen. Pound yen. Sequence 1 buy. Sorry, sequence 2 buy. So this buy, yeah, got a red dot. Grey warning line means something. I'm watching something. Red dot on the MACD platinum above the 0 level. So I'm looking for sells now. So my stop was below. The stop on the buy was below the entry level. All I've done is moved it up above the entry level. So I can't lose on the second part of that buy trade. I'm still in a sell trade with a stop and play. So I'm locking in a profit at the moment, so I can't lose anything there. Just waiting on a new sell signal, something along those lines. Pound USD, another one similar to the Aussie. Is in a buy, hedge sell, second buy. MACD platinum through the 0 level, so I've closed the buy, I've closed the hedge sell, and 0.04 the second buy, and put a stop in place. It gave me a profit of not much, probably about $10.77. So I can delete all them now because they're gone. So it's that one there. We're through the break-even level, as you can see, is that yellow line, original yellow line there. So that's all good. So now we've just got one buy trade in place, 0.02, which is my base lot, and a stop in place, so I can't lose on that trade. So it's the pound USD. New Zealand CAD. I was in a buy, MACD platinum, gone through the 0 level now, well and truly. Closed half, put a stop in place, took my profit, $9.57, added to the total. So just locking in a profit and can't lose on the second half of that trade. New Zealand Swiss, I was in a buy trade, just going nowhere, sort of rolling over. The MACD platinum through the 0 level. Wasn't much wiggle room to take close half or anything like that, so I just closed the whole trade and took a $5.68 profit there, so I can delete those. So it's no longer in play. So there's no trade on. New Zealand USD. What do I do here? Sequence 2 buy. This one here. MACD platinum through the 0 level. Closed half. Put a stop in place there. So that's, you can read it there. That gave me a profit of $11.63. It's been added to the total. I'm still in a buy trade from back here also, and it stops here. So locking in profit there. Now can't lose on the second buy, which is good. Overall break even is this level here, because I'm net positive plus 0.02. As long as price remains above that yellow line, I'm sweet on both those trades. So that's it for the 12-hour high probability charts. There's notes just to remind you if you want to pause the video and read them. Yeah, going all right on the 12 hours, so that's good. I'm a little bit behind the 8 ball today. I still haven't even updated the Facebook group with my daily trades yet, and it's 7 o'clock at night. So that's very slack on my part. Everyone's more than welcome to join the Facebook group or the Telegram groups. You're more than welcome. I mainly look at the daily charts on them, and happy to discuss anything to do with trading in there also. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you all got through the weekend all right. And to all the new subscribers, thanks for subscribing. If you do like these videos, please hit the subscribe button, or if nothing else, hit the like button. That would be greatly appreciated. All right, chat to you tomorrow probably. Cheers.